Hello, ladies and gents. Welcome again. Thank you for being here. Hello, ladies and gents. Welcome again. If you are watching us on YouTube replay, please subscribe, hit the like button. We will today explore a very, very powerful strategy that will revolutionize the way you look at the markets and the way you trade. It works for binary options, stocks, crypto, um, indices, commodities, anything that has a chart. So buckle up. I promise you by the end of this live streaming or by the end of this video, you will be equipped with a very strong and effective strategy based on clear rules. It's mechanical, it's consistent. If you use it consistently, if you stick to the rules, stick to your entry points, educate yourself on how to define the market states, which is very easy, which we will do. I'll do my best to teach you this in this live. I'm telling you, you're gonna make money. All right. That being said, there's no such a thing of as 100% win rate every single trade. It's not gonna happen. Your goal is to take the highest probability trades possible. Okay. Also, um, as for binary option traders, whenever you have anything above 60% win rate, I would take a 60% win rate every single day and I would be more than happy. Okay. Keep in mind the majority, 90 to 95% of traders lose money, bankrupt themselves within 2 to 3 days of depositing. Keep that statistic in mind and convince yourself that this isn't an easy thing to do. Trading is can be simple but not easy. It can be simple if you have a strategy on hand, if you are consistently using it, testing it, educating yourself about it. Right? So before starting to show you the setups on the charts and take a couple of trades together, let's move to the whiteboard so we can go through the basics. All right? I call the strategy the Magic Four, and there's a reason why I call it that. We will go and explain it. First, let's study the market states. So, any market, any chart you see, it has only three things to do. Only three. It can be in a narrow state, the price is moving in a sideways, ranging consolidation state. This is your narrow state. And it has, from this point, it has only two options, two ways to go. No, not a third, only two. It goes to a wide state to the upside, wide state, or a wide state to the downside, wide state. So one, narrow, wide, wide. Nothing more. And from here, it goes back down to a narrow state, again, back up to a narrow state, again. The market moves in a cycle. Once you get that in your system, you know that every chart you see can never go up and up until eternity. There will come a point where the pair will stall and push back down to a narrow state. Conversely, a chart can never go down till eternity. It has to go back up again to a narrow state. So this is how the market moves. Oops, I deleted everything. Come on. All right. So the market will do this and then will push up, doing its thing, push up again, do its thing over here, then pushes down back to a narrow state, and then it might do this and go back down to a wide state, and then this stalling a little bit, going down, stalling, and back to a narrow state. Right? That's it. It can't do anything else. So here that we have our states, we have to put our two indicators. I don't consider a chart without those two. The first indicator is your 200 SMA simple moving average and your 20 simple moving average. Okay? These are what I call the magic four. My drawing is quite improved, huh? So this is what I call the magic four. You have your 200 simple moving average, your simple moving average, and you have your price range, narrow price range. Usually, in a narrow state, the distance between the 200 and the 20 is very close, very narrow. Whenever the price pushes to a wide state, you usually see that the 20 period moving average will get away from your 200, and whenever you have this distance between your 20 and your 200, this is your wide state. This is your narrow state. Okay? So whenever you see a huge distance between the 200 moving average and the 20 moving average, you are in a trending situation, in this case to the downside. Simple, correct? So now that we have our magic four, whoops, now that we have our magic four in place, we need to look for our signal, our entry point. For the entry points, if you will have to use one of two very powerful candlestick patterns. Okay. For a buy trade, you need to look for strong, powerful, surging 2 minutes bullish bar. Okay, you use the 2 minutes chart. You have to see a strong, sizable bar. It has to be bigger than anything else you see to your left side, within the narrow state. And this is where you enter your trade 4 or 6 minutes to the upside for binary options. The second candlestick pattern you need to see, come on, is a pin bar. What is a pin bar? It looks something like this. A very long tail, a small upper body. Or it can be green, and it can be red as well. Or you can see this, or it can be a red bottoming tail bar like this. Right? So in this case as well, your entry point for a buy is here at the close, at the close, at the close. 4 or 6 minutes to the upside. So let's call these your buy signals. Let me remove the arrows. So these here are your buy signals. Okay? Hopes, hope this makes sense. If you're watching us on replay, if you have any questions, you can drop them in the live chat box. We will get back to you as soon as possible. If you are watching us live right now, please feel free to use the live chat. Okay? Now, conversely, if you want to see if you're gonna go for a sell, these are the kind of bars that you will be looking at. I'll explain why those. Okay, but for now let's define the candlestick pattern. So you should see something like this. Red, powerful red, sizable bar. It could have a small wick over here or here, no problem. Or you should see an inverted pin bar with a small body, or this kind of a pin bar. Or also, fourth option, a green pin bar with a small body at the bottom. Alright, these are your sell sell signals. Alright, shitty handwriting, I know. Okay, sell signals, you get the point. So why do we rely on those on those patterns? Because you need to see a footprint, you need to see an institutional movement in the market, and you need to jump on it and help the institution along with with the direction they are going at. You don't want to play with the cats and mice, and the rabbits of the market, which are the small candles happening like this and this and dojis. So whenever you are in this situation and you see a strong surging candle, bar, you have an elephant, you have a lion here. You have a market maker, an institution that wants to move the market in a certain direction. So you go boom with the institutions, with the elephant, not with the cats, mice, and rabbits. You go with the lions, right? So that's it. Let's move to the charts. First, we will set up our two moving averages. So first things first, you go to the indicators tab, you click on moving average twice, you go to the pen, the first moving average is a 200 moving average, 2 pixels thickness, you click save. The second moving average is 20 moving average. I prefer to select the blue color, 2 pixels thickness, and click save. Now I have a few pairs over here, so we can select and trade. I'm trading the tournament, so no problem. So let me show you a few narrow and wide states. This is a narrow state, and as you can see, whenever the blue 20 moving average pushes away from the 200, this is your wide state. This is your narrow state. So here you are in a trending situation. And as you can see, the market goes back down over here to a narrow state. Now this isn't the ideal narrow state over here to use, so we'll look for something else. See this situation, you have a narrow state, the 200 and the 20 moving average are very close by, and it goes to a wide state. This is your wide state over here. Whenever you see the 20 moving average is way far away from the 200, this is your wide state. So you should look for narrow states to take trades off those states to a wider state. So let's look for something. By the way, we just finished our trading session with the VIPs on Telegram. We had three winning trades back to back, no losing trades for today. So let's look for something. You see, this is fantastic, guys. Look at this. These are your magic four. Swing low, swing high. You have your narrow state, and this is your entry point. Boom, you enter over here. 4 or 6 minutes trades to the downside. You have your win. And look at this beauty. Going all the way. My mouse is playing tricks on me. So here you had your narrow state. Boom, to a wide state. Your 200, your 20 SMA is far away from the 200. So in this case, the market has only one choice, is to go back to the 200 EMA to a narrow state, right? Let's look for something for us to trade right now. By the way, guys, for Forex traders, if you are a Forex or gold trader, this is a fantastic strategy. Okay, let me activate the timer. I might take this one. Okay, this is beautiful. Come on. I need a strong close. I'll take sell here. 1 minute? Come on, I need a 4 minute trade. No problem. Let's take 4. Sell. 4 minutes. Why did I take this trade? As you can see, you have a narrow state. Narrow state. Okay. Your magic 4. Swing high, swing low for the past 10 to 12 candles, no problem. And whenever you see a break, a strong bearish bar closing below your magic 4, you take your sell position. We lost the 1 minute trade. I forgot to switch to 4 minutes expiry time. No problem. Okay. So we took a position here. Let's look for something else. If you're watching us right now, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to use the live chat. If you haven't subscribed yet, please, guys, we need to reach 500 subscribers. So do us a favor, subscribe. We will, we will highly appreciate it. See this narrow state? Fantastic. Look at this, guys. Narrow state. You have your surge here. Boom. Take your trade. 4 6 minutes. That's a win. Look at this beautiful move to the upside. For Forex traders, this is gold. Cash machine. Going up. Let's look for something happening right now. Euro. Okay, something is happening here. However, the 20 is still a bit far away from the 200. This could be a beautiful setup. I'll mark it and get back to it on a later stage. You mark your magic 4. We still need the 20 to get a little bit closer to the 200. Let me make the background clear. Let's make the lines thick. Save. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Perfect. Let's push it to the future. This is something to get back to for sure. If I see a break and the close below the 200, that's a beautiful sell over here. However, if the blue line, the 20 SMA, comes closer over here and we search to the upside, we have a beautiful trade. This is nice actually. If I see a strong close below the 200 moving average, I'll take a sell on this one. That's it. Beautiful. Come on, I need a little bit more. It's rejecting. What's happening over here? Okay, it's rejecting. Okay, we lost the first trade. No problem. Okay, let me put an alarm over here and see something else. It might take some time for you to find, the best, the highest probability setup. However, it's worth your time, I'm telling you. So let me see if I can add a few more pairs. Your Japanese is pushing strongly. Let me see that. Come on, beautiful. You wait for the last 30 seconds to make sure that the bar is powerful, it has momentum, it has a decent size comparing to anything you see on your left, 10 to 12 candles. So let's wait for this one. Yes, I need momentum over here. Here we are, last 30 seconds. Let's see the close. Okay, nice. Keep going. Keep going. Beautiful. If I get a strong close, I'll go for it. No. Also rejecting. Let's put an alarm over here. That's beautiful. Let's see. It's opening with strong momentum. Nope, it's rejecting. Let's put an alarm and find something else. I need a few more high payout pairs. Okay, let's see what's happening here. White state, also white state, white state, very white state, beautiful. Look at this. You had your narrow state over here. Let's see the Euro Japanese moving beautifully. Come on, that's it. That's my baby. Come on. I'll take two on this one to recover the missed trade. Come on, keep pushing. I'll take two here. Let's go to the USD JPY OTC again to show you what's the beauty of this strategy. You see, this is your narrow state. You have all your magic four here, the 200 moving average, the 20, and you wait for a powerful green bar to surge. You need to see powerful momentum to the upside. Boom, you enter your trade over here. 4 or 6 minutes, you have your winning trade. If you are a forex trader, look at this beauty. Powerful push to the upside. Narrow state, wide state. Your 200 moving average and your 20 are very far away in distance. Love it. Let's see if we can find another opportunity. Look at this beauty. Come on, guys. It's boring, huh? Look at this. You have your narrow state. You have a powerful surge here. Boom. 4 to 6 minutes. Winning trade. Forex trader, cash machine to the downside. And look at this. You went from this wide state over here, from this narrow state, boom, all the way down here to a very wide state. Fantastic. Still have 2 minutes on those. Let's see. Come on, look at this. Another beauty. See, this is something happening right now. This isn't, I'm not cherry picking from, a week ago or 4 weeks ago. This is a setup that happened a few minutes ago. You have your narrow state, your magic four, the 20, the 200, your swing high, swing low, and here you have your entry point. Boom, over here. 4 6 minutes trades. That's a win. But notice something. You had to wait all this time over here to get your entry point. Okay? You had to wait around 2 hours to get this position, which is okay. For me, it's fine. If you found it over here, you'll wait for, around 40 minutes. Forex trader, boom, cash machine to the upside. Trending situation, narrow state, wide state. Come on. Why is this losing? I might have been a little bit, I might have rushed those a little bit. For OTC, if you are trading OTC, I prefer if you wait for the close of the candle. So if I've waited for the close of this candle, I wouldn't have taken this trade to the downside. So for OTC, you have to keep your cool. And as you can see, whenever you have a losing trade, do a post analysis. When you do post analysis, you become aware of your flows. Of why did you lose this trade? You have to know why did you lose it. In this case, I took the trade somewhere over here. However, at the last few seconds, it pushed back up and closed over here. If I waited for the close, I wouldn't have taken this trade. All right. So that's the post analysis, which is as much as important as pre analysis. So let's see if we can find something else. Since we are trading the tournament, I don't care, honestly. I might be a little bit relaxed, so no problem. I'm doing this live in front of you so you can see what might happen. Let me see if I can find a narrow state. See this beauty? Come on, guys. Beautiful. That's me. What's going on here? Hello, chart. Let me refresh the page. Connection is doing fine. Okay, so let's find something to trade. Again, if you have questions, do not hesitate to use the live chat or the comments box. We need a clean and clear narrow state. Okay, hold on. Okay, we missed this one. No problem. This is something actually happening. A little bit premature. However, I'll mark the zone. I'll mark this zone over here. Our magic 4. And let's wait to see what's gonna happen. It's premature. However, let's keep an eye on it. Okay, so the USD BTT thing. Let's keep looking. The market is a bit dry right now. I need something. This is too jumpy. I won't go for it. Still in a white state. White state. All right. So let me see if I can add more pairs. Ooh, that's amazing, guys. That's amazing. However, it's a bit risky. I'll go on in on this one. It's a risky trade to take, This is what I call the trap zone. Whenever the price is between the 200 and the 20, that's the trap zone. Avoid taking trades. However, I'll take one over here just to show you what's going to happen. Beautiful. That's lovely. I'll take it. It broke and closed above. It's closing now above the 20. I love this one. So let's see. Keep in mind, don't do this using your live accounts. Do not go all in. Trade only 1 to 3% of your capital. Since we are trading the tournament, so we have nothing to lose, I'll go for this one. And since the market all over the place is in a white state, so we don't have setups right now for the sake of keeping the live short and concise. So I need to wrap it up. I believe in this one, honestly. However, it's a bit premature. I don't have my 10 to 12 trades from this side. So that's a shaky trade. It's not the best situation ever, but let's see. When I see a surge like this happening at or close to the 200 SMA, baby, that's a strong indication that the market is going to push to the upside. See, this is an institutional candle. It's not retail traders who can move the market like this. So whenever you see that kind of a candle, that's a big boy. That's someone big in the market buying in bulk. So it's gonna push up. Nice, beautiful. Keep going. That's it. Keep going. We will end the live with this trade. If you're still watching and have any questions, this is your time to ask. If you want to join our VIP trading group on Telegram, all the links you need are in the description box. One minute left. Forty seconds. Thirty seconds left. No, hold on, hold on. Come on. Beautiful. That's it. That's my baby. Come on. 7 seconds. Nice. And that's my baby over here. Nice. Nice one. Okay. So that's the last trade for today. Thank you for being here. So let's wrap it up and see you guys tomorrow. Or maybe in the next live stream today, I might go live. Thank you and bye bye.